7th. Okay, till any doubt you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one has joined. Okay, we have discussed. We have to start with 8th. Okay, start doing 8th. Start doing 8th question. Start it once. After 30 seconds, I will start. Okay, so read the question first. Don't start doing simply. Read the question first and think what you are going to do. Okay, first think about that. How we are going to proceed this one. Think about that, how we are going to proceed in that question. So we have to find the square root of each of the following, correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, correct to 3 decimal places. It means how many we should have decimal places.
4. Sir, 4 zeros.
4.
4 zeros or something more, because we are from each pair we'll be getting only 1 decimal place. From each we'll be getting only 1 decimal place. So how many more? 8 we must have. 8 means we have 1 is already there. 1 is already there. This will be 1 pair. 1 0, 1 decimal place, 2nd decimal place, 3rd decimal place, 4th decimal place. Okay.
Can you take
Understood?
one? Sir,
Yes.
after this 8 questions, sir, can you again tell 7 questions, sir? Because of some network issues, sir, my class disconnected yesterday, sir. So I not able to listen 7th question.
Okay. Have you gone through the video for 7th question? So whenever such issues arises, you can go through the video once.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Angel, do one thing. Okay, today you go through the video. Okay. If you don't get it, ask me tomorrow again. Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. So whenever such issues arise, like this, for this only I'm uploading the videos, because some student 10 minutes are lost or network issues. So you can the same day go through the video once. Okay. If still you have the doubt, ask in class. Just say, for example, today you have got the issue in network. So in evening, go through the video. If you understand, it's well fine. If you don't, ask next day in class. Okay. So today, 8th question. Okay. Ask tomorrow if you still have the doubt. Okay. 2.5. Do it. So this much we have to do. From each pair, we are going to get 1 decimal place. From each pair, we are going to get 1 decimal place. So what should be we have? 1 square or 2 square? 1. Okay.
1 1 jar.
1 jar. Okay.
150.
Okay. Plus 1. 2. What it should come here? 1 decimal 2. How much it will be?
27.
27.
Okay, check for 27. Okay, check for 20. Check for 27. 7 7 ja 49. 4. 7 2 ja 14. 1.
6.
6. Check it for 6. 6 6 ja 36. 3. 6 12 ja. Check for 5. 25 into 5. 125. So it will go with 5. Okay.
5.
So 1 digit we got. 1 decimal place. 125. Okay. 2 5 0 0. Here 25 plus 5 30, and here 1 digit we have to go. Okay. Now what we should check with? 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places. 3. How much? 3 8 is
8.
8. Okay, check with 8.
Sir, 7.
7 or 8. You can check with both.
Sir, 7.
Okay, check with 8.
Sir, 7.
So 2400.
See,
Sir,
the biggest will be 8.
8.
So check with 8 once. It may be possible if we
Yeah,
write small, then it will be sum.
2464. 2464.
Yes. See here, it is nearest to that one. Yes or no? Okay, check with 7 as
Yes,
well
sir.
once. Just check it. We know it will be 8, but check with 7 as well. And stop using calculators.
2125.
2149. See here, we see here. For example, we have done with 7. We have got 2149. It is 2500, 2500. You can see the difference. If you see the difference is much, check for the next one, 8. Check for the next right one, okay? We must always check whether it's the correct one or something more bigger number we can have, okay? So 2464, it is coming out 8, 8, 2464. Subtract them, that is how much you are getting. Plus 8. Okay, here what digit is going to come?
Sir, 1.
316.
Sir, 1.
1, it is very easy. Because 2, it will be 6000 something. 1. 1. So 3161. Okay. What will be the remainder? 9, 3, 439. Okay. 0, 0 plus 1,
1.
6, 2. Again you can check here.
Sir,
3,
Again 1.
1,
Sir,
2,
again 1.
1, 2, 3, 4 digits, 4 digits. Again 1. 3, 1, 6, 2, 1. 1, 1. Rest we do not have to do. We got how many decimal places?
4 decimal places.
4 decimal places. And we require 4 we got. Okay, extra have written. Okay. Yes. And we require up to 3. So last one we round it off. Okay, so root of 2.5. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It comes out to be, okay, root of 2.5 only we have to write. 1.5811 equal to 1.581 up to 3 decimal places. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Everyone have understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then do for
Yes,
second
sir.
one. Do the second one.
Can you explain it one time again?
Which one? But this is the same we have done earlier as well. So where you have the doubt? Where's the doubt? Okay,
Sir,
have you
308.
300? Okay. Have you understood why we have taken so many zeros? Have you understood that?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood that why we have taken so many zeros? Because we need
Yes.
4 decimal places. We need answer up to 4 decimal places. So double of that 8 we should have decimal places. 2, 2, 2, 2. From each pair we are going to get 1 decimal place. Okay. Now, okay. Rest we have solved for 1. Okay, here you have understood. So we have 2, 5, 0, 0. 3, 0 we have. For example, this is we have, and we have to find the digit here. We have to find the digit here. So how we are going to proceed? Okay, 2 decimal places, 2 digits is 2 digits. Now what should it come? 25 divided by 3, 8 point something. So nearest to 8 we can get either 8 or 9 or 7 or 6. We can get through that. Okay, so we hit and try. Okay, we have checked with 308 we have checked here. Okay, 308 we have checked here. 2464. Okay, for example, you are checking with 7. 7 you have got 2149. You can see 2149 is much less than 2500. So is there possibility that if we go with 8 we may get a little bit less smaller number as compared to 2. Less small number as compared to this one. Okay. So we check with 8. Okay. It's just hit and try. We just try. Okay. So we are getting 2464. So 308 into 8. We get 2464. Add this one. We get 360 rest. Have you understood now? Please don't switch on the camera. Okay. Shivang, have you understood? Okay, do the second one. Everyone start doing second one. Okay. Third and fourth, you have to do as homework. So in second, we already have 3. 3 decimal places we have. Okay. So how many more zeros you have to add? 5.
5.
So that total becomes 8. Total it becomes 8, and we get 4 decimal places. Okay. These questions you will only learn by practicing. Okay. So just practice more and more, and you will be perfect. Zero point 036. Okay, one decimal place, second decimal place, third decimal place, fourth decimal place. We got 4 decimal places. So how we going to put that one? So point we have put. Okay, point we have starting point. Now 03. Now forget about the point. Okay, forget about the decimal point. We have put. Now no need of considering decimal place. Simply consider them as numbers. Now we are having 3 here. So whose square we have to take? 3 here. 2 square or 1 square? 2 square is 4.
1.
It is here. 1. So see here, decimal place we have put. Now forget about the decimal place in this number. Okay, we don't require that one. Okay, we consider simply like it's starting from 3, and 3 is single digit. We consider it like this one. Okay, 1. Okay, so 1. Subtract them. 2 plus 1 here. 2, 6, 0. Okay. Now check with the different numbers. What it should come? Highest it can be 9, not more than that. This digit we have to have the single. So highest it can be 9. Check with 9. Check with 9 once. 29 into 9. If it is more, check is it 28 into 8. 29 into 9, you are getting how much?
261.
261. Okay, we missed by 1. Yes or no? You won't be able to take. So 28 into 8, 220.
224.
220. Okay, do it everyone.
So going from here.
Yes. So everyone have got 224. It is less. So we'll take 224. Is this clear? Have you done the same? 28, 8, 224 plus 8. Okay. It will be
36.
36. Okay. Okay, everyone find next one. It will be again 3, 6, 0, 0.
By time.
keep checking. So see here, 36.
Sir, and
Check for 9. Check for 9. Everyone check in. No one is going to provide the answer for this one. Everyone do it yourself. Do it yourself. No one is going to speak the answer. Calculate it, everyone. Calculate it, everyone. Are you getting smaller one?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Are you getting this one?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is smaller. We can take it this one. Okay, this is only possible. Next is it is the smallest. So 189, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we have 9 plus 9. Add everyone. Don't speak the answer. Add everyone.
Sir,
Yes.
378.
I told not to speak the answer. Let others also do. Okay, 3, 7, 8. Here. Okay, subtract them. First, you have to do after 10 or 20 seconds. I'll write here. Okay, subtract them. Everyone subtract them.
270.
Sir, 300. Sir, 279.
289.
See here again. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus
229.
Okay. Now forget 3 digits. 3 digits. Forget 3 digits. 3, 9 are 27. But okay, check with 9, then 8, then 7. What you are going to get?
Sir, not going from 9.
3, 7, 8, 9 into 9. Okay, not going with 9.
Sir, going with 7.
Okay,
Sir,
check
going with 7.
okay, don't tell the answer. First, check with 9, everyone. Check with 9 whether it is going or not. How much you have got?
No, sir.
9, 9, 80. No. 3, 4, 1, 3, 1. Okay. Have you got it is greater? Check with 8. 3, 7, 8, 8 into 8. Don't tell the answer. Everyone check it.
Also not coming.
Not going. Then check with 7. Everyone check with 8. And don't cross them again. Okay. Let them be on the side so that while revising, you know them. Okay.
Sir, 7 it is going.
Okay. 8 you got 30304. Okay. 7.
Sir, 26,669.
Yes. Check it once. With 7, check it once. Check your again. Check it again.
26,509.
509 you are getting. Yes.
Yes, sir, 509.
26, 509, 940. Okay. And this is okay. 26509. Okay. 1897 26509. Everyone have completed or not? Okay, write the next step.
Completed.
Okay, just
Completed.
Yes. Everyone have got this one. So root of 0.036. Root of 0.036. It equal to 0.1897. You can put here 0 as well, no doubt. Okay. 0.18.
90.
Okay, 90 you cannot do. It will become 10. Then again it will become 190. Understood this one? Yes or no? Why it came here? So 3 digits we have. 0, don't forget to put the 0 because we require up to 3 digits. Okay, 0 must be there. Okay, 3 decimal places we must have. Okay, third and fourth, do as homework. Okay, we do the 10th one. 10th one, find the following 55 square. This is easy. 55 square you can do as homework. Yes or no? 55 square you can do as homework. 98 square as
Question
well.
number 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Question number 9.
Question number
Sir,
9.
question number 9.
Okay. Question number 9. Okay, always remind me, sometimes I ask it. Find the least number by which 10368 should be increased, decreased, multiplied, divided. Should be increased. Okay. So 4 operations we have to do in 9 questions. Yes or no? Okay, 10368 we have. So 10368. If it is not a perfect square, and we have to make it perfect square. Okay, there are 4 ways to make it perfect square. Either we multiply by something, or we divide it by something, or we add something to it, or we subtract something from it. These are the 4 possible operations we can do: add, minus, subtract, multiply, and divide. These are the only 4 operations we can make. By using these 4 operations only we can make any number a perfect square. Yes or no? Okay, so we are having 10368. Okay, 10368. So if it is not a perfect square, okay, and we have to make it a perfect square. Okay, so how we can make it? If we add something to it, that is, we are increasing. Yes or no? We are increasing it. We can subtract something from it. We are decreasing. We can multiply something to it. We can divide it by something. These we can do to make it perfect square. This is clear? Okay. So to increase, to add or subtract, what we need? You're done in which method you will go with? You have done in remainder. So here, if we add something, what we can subtract to make it perfect square? If we get some remainder we can subtract. So to add or subtract, which method you are going to use? Division method, so that you have the remainder. We have to play with the remainder to make it a perfect square. Please, everyone, mute yourself. So here we'll be using which method? Division method to add or subtract, because we need remainder and you have to play with the remainder to make it a perfect square. Okay. To multiply and divide, which method we will use? Where we need to find the number by which we must multiply it, by which we must divide. That means the numbers, the factors which are single, either we have to remove them completely or we have to find their pair. We have to find someone for them as well. Okay, that we have to do. So multiply and divide, we'll use prime factorization method. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is very important. Okay, this question is important as well, lengthy as well. Okay, to make it perfect square, we have to add something, subtract something. So we'll go with this method because we need the remainder. To multiply and divide, we need prime factorization. Okay. So first, increase and decrease. Okay. So find the remainder. Start doing with division method. 10368. Find the root, or we have to find the remainder. So Do it. So we are having 10368. Make the pair. One pair, second pair, single. Okay, so here it will be 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 2. Yes, no. So what will be next? What digit should come here? By what we should multiply so that we can get it something either equal to 3 or less than that. What should be there? Hmm? What should be there? Anyone in class? You have done it.
0. 0. 0.
0? Yes or no? It will be 0 since 21. This is the least we can have. 21. 21 is greater than 3. So we'll put 0.
Zero,
And zero.
zero, zero, zero.
Here as well, you have to put 0. Okay. 0. Okay. Here we add 0. Okay. And we'll get 3, 6, 8. And here we are getting 2, 0. And then this digit we have to find. Okay. This you can
Sir,
easily find.
1. Sir, 1.
1. 2 will come 404. Okay. So 2, 0, 1. How much you are getting? 7.
7,
167.
6, 167.
167. Okay. I'm waiting for 30 seconds. Everyone solve this one. Okay. Don't copy from the board. Solve it yourself. You have got this one. Now, what is important for us here? This we require. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 167.
Very.
Yes, sir.
So we have increased by what number it should be increased? That is 10368. It something we have to add.
167.
No, we cannot do that one. Just pay attention here. Okay. Something we have to add. Okay. And something we have to subtract. Okay. Something we have to subtract. Okay. This we get. So first I'm doing what we can subtract. Okay. What we can subtract to make it a perfect square. So see here, this remainder should not be there. Yes or no? This should not be there. Here we should have got 0. How we can get 0? If we subtract 10368 from it, if we subtract 167, we wouldn't have got any remainder here. Yes or no? So what must be subtracted? 167. Yes or no? What must be subtracted to make it a perfect square? 160 must be subtracted. So by what it must be decreased? Find the least number. Least number is 167. It must be subtracted from that one. This you have understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 167 must be subtracted. This is the answer over. This must by this is the least number by which this must be decreased. This you all have understood? This is clear? Because we should not have
Yes.
remainder. We should not have remainder. And to not have the remainder, we must subtract 167 from this one. Okay. So whatever answer we are going to get, that it will be a perfect square. Yes or no? That will be a perfect square. That
Yes,
will be
sir.
perfect square. Okay. You can check as well after solving. That one, whatever you got, you can check. You will get 0 as a remainder. So first, second answer we have got. By what number it must be decreased? By 167 it must be decreased. Okay. Now plus something. We have to add something. Okay. So we are having 10368. Okay. This number, if we compare with 101 square, this is greater. This is greater as compared to its square by how much? By this much. It is greater. Yes or no? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
101 square if we take, it will be less than this one by 167. This you understood? Okay. Now if we add something, we have to make it a perfect square. If we add something, then it will become 102 square. Yes or no? We have to add something so that it becomes perfect square. And its root should be what? 102? Yes or no?
Yes,
If
sir.
you're adding some to it, it will become a, okay. This you understood? Or I can give you one more example, okay? For example, we are having 7, okay? Okay, we took the root, okay? 2 square. Okay, 7 is not a perfect square. The nearest smallest square is 4. 2 square it is. Okay. And next it will be what? 3 square only. So how much we have to add to this one to make it a perfect square? Plus 2? Yes or no? Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Okay, see here, forget about this one. We have 7. We took the square root. Okay. It came out to be 2 and remainder we got 3. Okay. So what should be separated from 7 to make it a perfect square? 3. 3 must be subtracted to make it a perfect square. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
answer. So 3 must be subtracted. And
Yes,
what you
sir.
will be getting if we subtract 2 square, that is 4. That's the perfect square. Okay. Now what we must add to it so that it becomes perfect square. As we are adding, it will be the perfect square of the nearest next number. That is 3 square. It will be 2 square we got. Next will be 3 square. So if we add something to it, it will become 9. Yes or no? So what we have added? 9 minus 7, that is 2 we have added. Understood this one? 2 we have added. Okay. So what we are going to add in this one? How much is 102 square? Find this one. 102 square. 104.
10404.
10,404. 10,404.
10404. This is there. We have 10368. So how much we have added from this one? Subtract this one. Yes or no?
36.
From this one, subtract this one. Okay. Minus 10368. That we have added. Okay.
36.
So how much we have added? 36. If we add 36 to that number, it will become perfect square. Understood this one? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Divide and divide it. Do as homework. We'll discuss that tomorrow in class. Okay. That one do as homework as well. So that will be from pi factorization method. It is very easy. Yes or no?
Thank you, sir.
Have you understood that one? So whichever comes single, what should we multiply? By that number only. By what should we divide? By that number only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
And ninth as okay, 10th as well. Try it. We'll do start with 10th tomorrow in class. Okay. 10th is also same kind of. So try to do 9th second part and 10th. Okay. Okay. We'll discuss them tomorrow in class if you're doubt. So we want to complete it by 2 if possible. Okay, we'll see that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.